In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of ICICI Coral credit card. It's a lifetime free credit card. Here are some of the features of this card. You will get 2000 reward points on every 2 lakh spent on this card and 1000 reward points each time when you cross spends of 1 lakhs thereafter in an anniversary year. And here is a Coral credit card. Using iMobile app, you can activate this card. This is how the ICICI Bank Coral credit card looks. I made a separate video on how to apply this card. I will give the link in the description box. The front of the ICICI Bank Coral credit card looks like this. When you switch to the back, on the back you will find Discover, Diners Club, Pulse. On the back side you will have the credit card number, CVV number and expiry date. It's a plastic credit card. If you wish to apply, I will give the link in the description on how to apply this card. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.